Hi, welcome to Ada's Reading Retreat. Are you ready for adventure? Then read along with me to discover what awaits us. Before we begin, hit that subscribe and like button and turn on your bell notification of new stories. Today's story is called JoJo and Daddy Bake a Cake. But who is the cake for? It's a surprise. Let's dive in and see who the cake is for. I am baking a cake. Daddy is my helper. Who is the cake for? Daddy asks. I say, it's a surprise. Then I zip my lips. We mix lots of stuff into a bowl. I let Daddy help. He is a good helper. Mommy finds the cake pans. Who is the cake for? Mommy asks. I say, it's a surprise. Then I zip my lips. I pour the cake mix into the pans. I let Daddy help me again. He is a very good helper. Daddy puts the pans into the oven. Oh look! It's Freddy. He wants to play. I tell him, I am busy. I am baking a cake. Who is the cake for? Freddy asks. I say, it's a surprise. Then I zip my lips. Freddy helps Daddy and me make frosting. Now I have two helpers. The frosting is good. It's very, very good. Soon the pans come out of the oven. Nancy smells the cake. Who is it for? Asks my sister. I say, it's a surprise. Then I zip my lips. Nancy helps frost the cake. I have 3 helpers now. We make the cake fancy. Daddy says, now can you tell us who the cake is for? No. Not yet, I say. Then I zip my lips. Daddy has to take Frenchie for a walk. Freddy has to go home. Only Nancy is left. So I unzip my lips. I tell Nancy my secret. She helps with one last thing. After dinner, I bring out the cake. Daddy sees it. He is so surprised. It is for him.
Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this story. Don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button and turn on your bell notification to my channel. See you next time on Ada's Reading Retreat.